Hi, my name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to show you 3 things you could start doing today for free to help bring in more customers to your business. I've found that by giving people an easy free attack plan of things that they can do today to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still putting their trust in me to help grow their company. So, if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and I'm very versed in digital marketing, then shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan that I give you today and do it yourself, well, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that'll set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So first, I just want to say all the research that we're going to do real quick just to kind of show you is going to be under exterior home repair Jacksonville, since you guys are kind of well versed in everything. So your number one competitor is right here, this centerbeamconstruction.com. We can see their website right here, and then your website. So the first thing we're discussing is going to be content quantity. So right here is your website, and what we want to look at is how much content you have. And you're doing really good. You have 2,000 words. Google released that the minimum that they want to see is 1,500 words. So right out of the gate, you're doing really good at just making sure you're meeting that minimum mark. Now the second thing we're going to discuss is the quality. So as you can see right below the content quantity, we can see the words and how much they're used. So you have gutter, share, home, protection, hurricane, and the list goes on, but I like to look at the top 3. So gutter, share, and home. So the way keywords work is basically when you type something into Google and hit enter, the computer generated algorithm scrubs all the pages on Google and tries to find those specific words on websites. So if we look at your competitor here, we can see that theirs are Centerbeam House Jacksonville construction work. So they're not really doing very good at the keywords, in my opinion. Of course, they have Jacksonville, which is what they want to be found for, and they have construction. So those two kind of go hand in hand with the exterior home repair. So maybe that's how they were found, but we can see that they don't have home or repair in there anywhere. So just keep that in mind, though, that you want to ensure you're beating everybody at that. So those are just 2 quick ways to help grow, but they're not going to get you to the number 1 spot, obviously. What's going to bring you to the number 1 spot is backlinks. So we use a tool here called Ahrefs, and you can see that I plugged your URL in, and you have almost 500 backlinks, and you're drawing in about 79 clicks a month. So this is a good number. What you need to focus on, though, is the quality of backlinks. So make sure the backlinks are coming from good, relevant sites. Now, just to break it down, what a backlink is a link from one website to another website, and it's pointing at it, giving it some link juice. So if site A is pointing to site B, then site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. It's almost a popularity contest, if you will. But like I said, there's more to it. The link juice you obtain works the best if you have relative sites linking back at you. So a site that's similar to what you do, or something like a blog that's relevant to your business, not Pizza Hut, of course. Your competitor here, we can see 474 backlinks. So you might be saying, hey, I have almost 20 more, but they're drawing in 219 organic traffic. Well, there's a lot of other tricks and tips with SEO, but one thing I can just say right now is they have 20 generated organic keywords that they're ranking for in Google, and you have 1. So they're being found on 20 searches as opposed to your 1. So that's one area. And we could go more in depth with that if you would like more information. So in closing, we discussed 3 things today. We discussed the importance of content quantity and how you're doing a good job already at the 2,000, but you can always add more if you'd like. Secondly, we discussed the content quality and how ensuring that the content that you already have is a little bit edited to ensure that you're getting found for specific things that you want to be found for. So if that is, exterior home construction, gutters, awnings, screens, whatever, that you're putting that in there, as well as a location, so that when people type it into Google, you're the first thing that pops up. And lastly, and most importantly, we talked about that offsite SEO via backlinking and link juice, and how you need the most relevant sites pointing at you to show Google that you're the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies today, there's no doubt in my mind that you'll be number 1 across Google. So what now? Well, you can either take this information I provided you today and do it all on your own, which I'm totally cool with. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time and energy, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. Can't wait to hear from you. Have a great day.